Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python RegEx tutorial series. In part 3, we are exploring the power of character classes, both predefined ones and custom ones you can create. We will try to build more complex regex patterns by combining metacharacters and character classes also. We will test them with a string to see them in action and ensure continuity with the previous video. Let's get started by learning about them. We can categorize character classes in regular expressions into two types. The first one is predefined. Predefined character classes are notations like \w, \d, \s. In example, \big W is for non-word characters, \d for digits, and \s for whitespace. These are shorthand notations commonly used in regex. In order to prevent it to be recognized as a character, so you use backslash to indicate it's a special character class. It recognizes it as a predefined character class. If you don't do it, it will think it's a normal character. In example, s without a backslash is s letter. It helps you directly matching the pattern. In example, if you search for digits, just type \d and it will find the digits for you. Our second type is custom classes that you can craft yourself. So you can combine characters or media characters or even predefined character classes in order to generate patterns like this. So you can find your customized patterns in your text. Let's start by seeing and testing predefined ones. So our first character class is D and written as \d. It matches any digit equivalent to numeric characters from 0 to 9. In example, if you generate pattern like \d at, it matches strings like 0 at, 1 at, and 9 at. So while \lowercase d matches any digit from 0 to 9, the uppercase d matches any character that's not a digit. It is easier to keep in mind in that form. Let's see it in code. So we have imported our regex library re at the beginning and we have defined a text with spaces including hat, cat, one at, underscore at, hash at, and special characters like new line tab with at. So it will help us to match our various patterns in our text. So everybody, let's try to print all digit patterns. So print re dot find all. If you remember, it will find and print all of them as a row string \d in text. If you run it, you can see it only prints digit once. So here we have a digit. And if you try non-digit, so uppercase D, it will print everything that is non-digit, including white spaces. Also, if you try \d, and after that, if you write at, if you remember, it was a part of the string you want to search for. At is not a special thing. It will find once starting with a digit and followed by at. So if you print it, as you can see, it finds one at. If you do something like this, opposite of it, it finds hat, cat, underscore at, etc. Now the next one is lowercase w and uppercase w. Lowercase w matches any word character. Do not get confused by word. It means it includes letters, digits, underscore, etc., which is equivalent to a custom character class shown up here, which we will see later in this video. And it matches strings like hat, cat, one at, and underscore at, since it covers them all. As the opposite one, uppercase W matches any non-word character like at, hash at, but not at or one at. Let's see them in the code. Let's try W and let's try lowercase w and uppercase W. So let's print re.findAll W in text, of course. As you can see, it prints everything that it covers. If you type uppercase W, it only prints the ones excluded, like special characters or white spaces. Let's try with at. So w at, cat, one at, and underscore at, convert this to uppercase, you can see it prints ones starting with special characters. So because I am telling it to start with a non-word, then find the ones followed by at. So the next ones are lowercase s and uppercase s. Lowercase s matches any white space character, so it includes space, tab, new line, I mean backslash d or backslash n, and the white spaces we use. Backslash uppercase s, as you can see, it matches anything that is non-white space, so they are opposites too. Let's see them in the code in action. Let's print re.findAll s in text. As you can see, white spaces, tab, and new line. If you do this, convert it to uppercase, it will give the ones that are non-white space. And let's try lowercase s followed by at, so you can see them. It has white space at index 0. This one has backslash d, so tab character, and this one has a new line. If you do it with uppercase, it will print the ones that has non-white space characters. Let's talk about custom character classes. In case predefined ones are not enough, you can employ custom character classes that you can craft your own and use them in your regex pattern. They are very easy to define. You can just combine them, type your characters one after another, combine them in square brackets, or use some expressions to make something between or not, or bind them together. So if we take a look at examples, here some of them are listed, like ABC, which matches any single character listed A, B, or C. An example, if we write a regex pattern like ABC inside square brackets followed by at, it matches AA at, bat, and cat. Another important one here is the one with the caret in the second row, which makes the expression opposite, so it matches that, eat, fat, not AA at, bat, or cat. Another special character is hyphen, which helps you to get something between. In example, if you type lowercase a hyphen lowercase z, it will match any single lowercase letter from A to Z. If you make it uppercase, it matches uppercase ones. If you make it digit, it matches from 0 to 9. And if you type it together, like the last one here, lowercase a to z followed by uppercase a to z, it matches any single letter, uppercase or lowercase, like hat, cat with uppercase c, and z with uppercase z. Let's see them in the code example. So everyone, here is our new sample text. You can pause the video and type it. So first, I want to find ones with A or B or C. So let's print re.findAll arrow string ABC in text. As you can see, it finds A or B or C and so on. So ABC here comes from there, and BA from here, CA from here, and the CA from here, and other two A's from here. If you type something like this, it will find the uppercase ones. So ABC comes from here, and the last one, the A, comes from here. If you put a caret here, you type something like this, it matches ones that are not. It's similar for lowercase ABC, so the same case here. If you extend it with E, F, and D, you can see the list is now smaller. If you want to find all lowercase letters, you just have to use hyphen, and let's type lowercase a hyphen lowercase z, and it finds all lowercase letters. Same is valid for uppercase letters, so let's type uppercase a to uppercase z. It's similar. Let's try 0 to 9. It gets digit ones. If you type caret here, it finds all non-digit ones, and if you type something like lowercase a to z, and uppercase A to Z. It finds all letters here. So far, we have learned regex functions, metacharacters, and character classes. So now it's time to combine them and create more powerful regex patterns. Let's start by combining some classes and metacharacters. So if you type something like re.findAll as a row string 0 to 9, followed by a to z, lowercase a to z, and lowercase a to z again in text. You can see it finds and matches with one at, because here this custom class indicates digit ones. Just after it comes a letter, a lowercase letter, and again a lowercase letter. If you type something like this, say 1ATT or 2ATBT, and after A to Z, type plus. What does it mean? It means one or more of the previous one. The previous one here is A to Z. So if you print it, it displays 1ATT, 2ATBT, and 180. If you use question mark here and try to run it, it means 0 or 1 occurrence. So it only prints out 1, 2, 3, 1A, 2A, and 1A, because it means only 0 or 1 occurrence of lowercase letters between A and Z, and one character that is digit. Let's also try 0 to 9 with plus. Plus means one or more occurrence, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 1. So let's also try it with curly brace repetitions. So print re.findAll, let's define a row string like this, 0 to 9, and curly braces 1 to 4. Do not leave any white space, and in text, of course. You can observe that it finds 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 1. So it matches 1 to 4 consecutive digits. We can find our specific digit sequences. Let's also try white space followed by non-word that has one or more occurrence. As you can see, it directly matches with this one. It begins with space and ends with space, so it's both backslash lowercase s and backslash uppercase w plus match with it. This space is also a non-word character, just like the special characters. Let's also try to find alphanumeric characters. All you gotta do is typing something like this, so both includes alphabetical characters and numeric characters or digits. So it includes lowercase a to z, uppercase a to z, and 0 to 9. So you can just type one after another, it's not a problem. And let's print it. You can see it prints all alphanumeric ones. If you type one or more occurrence, so add plus, it takes them as a whole. So it gets the words, which excludes white spaces. If you want to include them, just type this. So it is somehow weird, but we will see how to fine-tune it. So everyone, we are near the end of our tutorial on regex. We have seen regex functions, regex metacharacters, and character classes. Now all we need is some touch-ups, some practice, and building more complex patterns with the help of our knowledge. If you liked the video, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.